Welcome to Today Breaking News. Here's a highlight of the day. Brent crude set to below $100 on higher slower weak demand outlook. Houston, July. Global benchmark Brent crude tumbled $7 on Tuesday to settle down below $100 a barrel for the first time in 3 months on a strengthening dollar, COVID-19 curbs in top crude imports to China, and rising fears of a global. The sharp drop followed a month of volatile trading in which investors have sold oil positions on worries that aggressive interest rate hike to stamp inflation will spur an economic downturn. That Brent crude futures settled $7.61 or 7.1% lower at $99.49 a barrel, its lowest since April 11. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was down $8.25 since their peak this year in March. Brent has declined 29%, while WTI has fallen 27%. Oil prices are facing extreme pressure as defensive posture continues, with consumer sentiment still in a depressed mode along with a COVID-19 resurface in China, said Dennis Chrysler, Senior Vice President for Trading. The dollar index, which tracks the currency against the basis of 6 counterparts, also climbed earlier in the day to 108.55, its highest level since October 2022. Oil is generally priced in US dollars, so a strong greenback makes the commodity more expensive to holders of other currencies. Investors also tend to view the dollar as a safer. Recession fears has also forced investors to dump petroleum-related derivatives at one of the fastest rates of the pandemic era. Hedge funds and other money managers to the equivalent of 110 million barrels in the 6 months. Open interest in New York Mercantile Exchange future fell on July 7 to its lowest since October 2015. Close-to-close volatility to Brent and WTI is at its highest level since early April. Lower liquidity typically results in a more volatile market. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is Asia to discuss ways to strengthen sanctions against Russia, including a price cap on Russian oil to limit the country's profit and help lower energy prices. International Energy Agency (IEA) Executive Director Fatih Birol said that any price caps on Russian oil should include refined products. Thank you for subscribing our channel. I'll see you in the next newsletter.